Hi, this is Bill for SparkyChannel.com. Today I'm going to introduce you to the Knipex 6-in-1 electrical installation pliers with comfort grip handles. These pliers serve 6 functions: cutting, stripping 12 and 14 gauge wire, looping and bending, crimping end sleeves, gripping multiple items, and reaming out electrical pipe. These pliers were created so that you could complete an electrical installation with the least number of tools. This gives a worker the opportunity to lighten his or her tool belt and not have to reach for different tools over and over. Here I'll cut 12-3 with ground cable. Here I'm cutting 8 gauge stranded wire, 2 8 gauge stranded at the same time, and here's 3 8 gauge stranded cut at the same time. Here's a real-time clip showing the versatility of the tool. There's I just cut the Romex and just gently score the sheathing, and then you rip it off. Now I'm going to take off the paper insulation on the bare wire. Now I'm stripping the neutral wire. I'm stripping the hot wire. And now I'm going to put a loop on the hot wire, a loop on the grounding wire, a loop on the neutral wire, and there it is, all done with the same tool. These pliers weigh in at a relatively light weight of 9 1/4 ounces. They have a thin construction with the handles being set relatively close together so that you can get into hard to reach places. Knipex pliers, or as many people pronounce it, Knipex pliers, are made in Germany and are the leading manufacturer of pliers in the world today. The steel Knipex uses is precisely hardened with a maximum of 0.8% carbon and defined parts of chromium and vanadium. My overall impression of the tool is that when I hold it in my hand, it feels like a quality tool. One thing that really impresses me about the tool is the cutter. It's more like a cable cutter than just a regular cutter you'd find on a pair of long nose. The long nose pliers are actually really good for looping wire and working with, and the strippers are excellent. The 14 and the 12, those are the ones that I use all the time. So that's a good choice, and they're very quick and very efficient. I like the handles. You have to kind of get used to them because they're set closer together than what I'm used to anyway. After you work with them a while, though, they feel good. Basically, these are a really high-end pair of pliers. If you click on the link in my video description, you're going to find out you got to pay up for them. But once you buy them, you're not going to send them back. These are quality pliers, and you'll really like them if you wanted to get some. I'll put a link in my video description for the Knipex electrical installation pliers with the comfort grips, as well as for the Knipex electrical installation pliers with the 1000 volt insulated grips. And I'll put links for the Knipex 1000 volt insulated high leverage linesman pliers and for the Knipex 1000 volt insulated needle nose pliers. Thanks! I hope this video was helpful.